What if everything you thought about Jupiter was only half the truth? For decades, scientists believed Jupiter was Earth's protector, a massive shield pulling in dangerous comets and asteroids. And in 1994, during the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 impact, it seemed to prove exactly that. But new research suggests a more complicated reality. Jupiter doesn't just absorb threats, it can also redirect them. Using its immense gravity, it can fling objects deeper into the solar system, sometimes toward the inner planets. Not a guardian, not a villain, just a powerful force of nature. And then there's the Great Red Spot. This massive storm, once large enough to swallow 3 Earths, has been shrinking for over 300 years. Today, it's barely larger than one. No one fully understands why. NASA's Juno spacecraft has captured something even more fascinating: intense radio emissions from Jupiter's magnetosphere. When converted into sound, they create eerie, almost haunting tones. But they're not signals, just plasma interacting with a powerful magnetosphere. And in 2024, new images revealed strange, complex storm patterns near Jupiter's poles. Beautiful, chaotic, and still not fully understood. No hidden messages, no awakening. But the truth? Jupiter is far more unpredictable than we ever imagined, and we're only just beginning to understand it. It reflects almost no light, like something is staring back from deep inside Jupiter. Some say it's the core being exposed. Others imagine a crack in space-time. And the wildest theories? That Jupiter isn't a planet at all, but a doorway to something beyond. But here's the truth. Jupiter doesn't watch. It doesn't wake up. It's a gas giant, violent, massive, and completely indifferent. So what would actually happen if Jupiter changed? First, we need to break a popular myth. You've probably heard it before. Ignite Jupiter and it becomes a second sun. Sounds beautiful. Sounds cinematic. But it's impossible. Jupiter is mostly hydrogen and helium, with almost no oxygen. Fire can't even start there. And more importantly, it doesn't have enough mass to trigger nuclear fusion. To become a star, it would need to be at least 80 times more massive. So what about the danger then? Jupiter's real power isn't fire, it's gravity. 4.5 billion years ago, during the early formation of the solar system, Jupiter didn't protect anything. It reshaped everything. Its immense gravity scattered debris, redirected planets, and helped define the structure we see today. Not a guardian, not a monster, just a force so large it decides the fate of everything around it. And if anything about Jupiter were to truly change, we wouldn't have minutes, we might not even have warning. In the early chaos of the solar system, Jupiter was a destroyer and a creator. As it formed, its massive gravity disrupted the disk of dust and rock where planets were being born. Countless planetary embryos were scattered or torn apart before they ever had a chance to grow. Look at Mars. Why is it so small? One leading theory suggests Jupiter's gravity disturbed the material Mars needed to grow, leaving it stranded as a half-formed world, cold, dry, and unfinished. So how did Earth survive? Because of a cosmic balance. As Jupiter migrated inward, it didn't move alone. Saturn formed and locked into a gravitational resonance with it, pulling it back, preventing it from moving deeper into the inner solar system. Then Uranus and Neptune joined the gravitational dance, stabilizing the system in a delicate balance. But that breaking event came with consequences. Jupiter's shifting gravity scattered icy bodies from the outer solar system inward, sending a storm of comets and frozen debris toward the young Earth. Those impacts may have delivered a significant portion of Earth's water. Not all of it, but enough to help shape oceans. So Jupiter didn't just threaten Earth's existence. In a strange twist of cosmic fate, it may have helped make life here possible. You, holding your phone right now, almost wouldn't exist because this giant, this monster in our solar system, came terrifyingly close to destroying everything and somehow accidentally helped create us. But don't feel grateful. Inside this planet lies a bottomless abyss where the laws of physics begin to break. Now, imagine this. You put on the strongest spacesuit ever built and jump into Jupiter. First problem, you'll never find the ground. Jupiter isn't a planet like Earth. It's a massive ball of gas. You fall into a nightmare. Temperatures drop to minus 148 degrees Celsius. Winds screen past you at over 200 meters per second, filled with razor-sharp ice crystals slicing through your suit like blades. In 1995, NASA's Galileo probe survived just 58 minutes here before being crushed by pressure 23 times stronger than Earth's atmosphere. And that's just the beginning. If you somehow keep falling 1,000 kilometers down, everything changes. The temperature skyrockets. The pressure becomes so extreme, gas turns into liquid. You're no longer falling. You're plunging into a vast, endless ocean of liquid hydrogen. Deeper, further down, at 30 million times Earth's pressure, atoms themselves begin to collapse. Electrons are ripped away. Matter transforms into something unimaginable, a dark, violent sea of metallic hydrogen, where even reality starts to bend. The strangest substance in science fiction is real. Liquid metallic hydrogen. Inside Jupiter, this ocean isn't just liquid. It's stronger than steel, yet it flows like water. And at the core, temperatures reach 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This boiling metallic ocean, combined with Jupiter's insane rotation, turns the planet into a cosmic power generator. It creates a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, a deadly prison of radiation. Any unprotected life that gets close wouldn't stand a chance. Cells would rupture instantly, like an egg exploding in a microwave from the inside out. That's why NASA's Juno probe had to wear 180 kilograms of titanium armor, enduring radiation equivalent to taking 1 million X-rays just to survive a brief glance. But what it discovered was even more terrifying. For decades, scientists believed Jupiter had a solid, rocky core. Like Earth, they were wrong. Juno's data revealed something far stranger. Jupiter's core has no clear boundary. It's a chaotic mix, liquid metal and solid matter blended into a cosmic storm. Not a planet with a heart, but a half-formed giant, a failed star, frozen just one step before nuclear fusion, forever trapped in its own dark prison. And this monster is getting unstable. On Jupiter's surface rages the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been roaring for over 300 years. It's over 320 kilometers deep, with winds faster than a rifle bullet, big enough to swallow 3 Earths. But something is changing. After 90 days of observation, scientists saw it trembling. One moment it's compressed, the next it stretches outward, like a trapped beast struggling to break free. And here's the terrifying part. While the storm is shrinking, its height is rising fast, like an invisible skyscraper growing into the sky. Now, simulations reveal a countdown. If it stops feeding on nearby storms, it could disappear in just 950 days. And if that happens, what will Jupiter release after billions of years of pressure? No one knows. But don't be fooled. Jupiter isn't the final boss, because something even more dangerous is orbiting right beside it. Welcome to a volcanic hell. Io, Jupiter's most violent moon. Its surface is covered with over 400 active volcanoes, erupting lava plumes that shoot 500 kilometers into space. Temperatures reach 1,600 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt steel in seconds. But even this is not the most shocking world here, because nearby there's a quiet, frozen moon, Europa. Beneath its thick ice shell, tens of kilometers deep, lies a hidden ocean, a vast, dark sea, holding more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And deep below, hydrothermal vents may be pumping energy into the abyss, the perfect cradle for life. In its icy geysers, scientists have already detected organic molecules and possible signs of biological activity. Those mysterious red streaks across the ice, they might be traces left by alien life. In 2024, NASA launched the Europa Clipper, a mission carrying humanity's greatest hope. By 2030, it will arrive to pierce that frozen shell and search for life. And if it finds something, everything we believe about the universe will change forever. We won't be alone anymore. If you look up at the night sky and see the brightest point of light, don't look away. It is the destroyer that nearly tore Earth apart and the creator that helped give us oceans. For 4.5 billion years, it has balanced chaos and restraint, trapping unimaginable storms while possibly nurturing incredible miracles. The universe's deepest secrets may be watching us from that giant red eye, guarding or waiting.